When a massager suddenly won't turn on or refuses to charge, it can feel like the device has stopped working completely. You connect the charger, wait for a light or any response, but nothing changes. With a device like a sharper image massager, this situation is usually caused by simple power or connection issues rather than a serious defect. In many cases, the battery is fully drained and needs time before it shows any charging sign. Sometimes the charging cable or adapter isn't delivering power properly, even though it's plugged in. There are also moments where the charging port has dust or slight misalignment, preventing a proper connection. Another common reason is that the device may be stuck in a protection state after overheating or heavy use, so it won't respond until it's reset. Because of this, the best approach is to check power, connections, and reset the device step by step instead of assuming it's faulty. These are the fixes. 1. Connect the massager to a working charger and ensure the cable is firmly attached. 2. Try a different charging cable or adapter to rule out power issues. 3. Leave the device plugged in for at least 15 to 20 minutes before checking again. 4. Inspect and gently clean the charging port to remove dust or debris. 5. Press and hold the power button for several seconds to reset the device. 6. Allow the massager to cool down if it was recently used before turning it on.